This is companion video number 2 for iFeelagrams for iPad, iOS8, the unlock screen. The unlock screen has 4 areas. The first area is the status bar, which runs across the top of the screen. The second area is a very narrow one, also running the width of the screen immediately below the status bar. In the center of this strip is a square containing the time and date, one above the other. The third area covers most of the remaining screen and is reserved for notifications that you wish to have displayed when the screen is locked. The fourth area, down at the bottom and just above the Home button, contains the unlock control running across the screen and a camera button in the bottom right-hand corner. Remember to study the 7 items in the key before exploring the Feelagram. 3 gestures will be required to explore the screen: drag, flick left, and flick right. 2 other gestures may also be helpful. First, should you wish to practice the gestures, you can turn help on and off with a 4-finger double tap. While help is on, the gestures will speak their function without actually performing it. Also, once you have touched an item on the screen, you can ask VoiceOver to describe its exact location by doing a 3-finger single tap. So now we'll move on to the iPad and do a quick exploration of the lock screen. To make the lock screen happen, we have to find the Home button, which is the round button down at the bottom of the screen, and press it once. After we do that, we'll flick right twice to the unlock button and then continue exploring the lock screen. So let's start by pressing the Home button.
1:53 p.m.
Flick right.
Monday, October 20th.
And flick right again.
Unlock button.
And we would unlock by doing a single finger double tap. But for now, let's continue exploring the screen. Let's go up to the status bar.
No SIM. 3 of 3 Wi-Fi bars. Bluetooth on. 58% battery power.
So those are some of the things we have in the status bar. You can review them by looking at the Feelagram again. And of course, we have the clock.
1:54 p.m.
And we can flick right in there to
Monday, October 20th.
to see the date. And down at the bottom,
Unlock button.
we have the unlock button. And in the bottom right-hand corner,
Open camera button.
we have the open camera button. Now, if you want to practice your gestures, of course, we talked in the first part of this lesson about the 4-finger double tap, which is used to turn on the help mode. So let's try that.
Starting help. To stop help, perform a 4-finger double tap or 2-finger scrub, or press escape on the keyboard.
Okay,
Flick right. Move to next item.
that's a flick right.
Flick left. Move to previous item.
That's a flick left. And what about a 3-finger single tap?
3-finger single tap. Speak page number or rows being displayed.
And now we're finished with help. 4-finger double tap.
4-finger double tap. Start VoiceOver help. Stopping help.
Now that last announcement is slightly confusing in that it tells you that the 4-finger double tap starts help, immediately followed by the fact that the iPad is now turning the help off. Now the other function we discussed is that of being able to confirm the locations of things on the screen and even what their shape is. For example, let's find the clock.
Monday, October 20th.
Now let's do a 3-finger single tap.
Page 2 of 2. Top and centered. Quarter width of screen.
So we know that the little clock square is top and centered and quarter width of screen. How about the unlock control?
Unlock. Button.
Now let's do a triple finger single tap.
Page 2 of 2. Bottom and centered. Full width of screen.
Now how about the camera? Let's feel down to the bottom right corner.
Open camera. Button.
Triple finger single tap.
Page 2 of 2. Bottom right corner. Thumbnail width.
So it tells us bottom right corner thumbnail width. I'm not sure quite why it's saying page 2 of 2 there, but you get the general idea that you can actually determine the locations of things on the screen with the triple finger single tap. And that's pretty much it for this video, but we hope you'll join us in video number 3 when we learn more about the home screen.